parallel lines and perpendicular lines. So let's start with the graph on the left, parallel line. So I have three lines, a red line, a green line, and a blue line. They are all parallel. The reason is they have the same slope. So the slope is, this is 3 over 2, 3 over 2, and 3 over 2. The only difference is they have different x-intercept. Of course, they cannot have the same, did I say x-intercept? They cannot have the same y-intercept. If they do, if they are all 3 over 2x plus 4, then you will just see one line. So that will be one line on top of another line. So I have to use a different y-intercept in order to display three lines on the same graph. All right, so this is the line, the green line, where the y-intercept is 4. So this y-intercept is 0, 1, and then the blue line, the y-intercept is at 0, negative 2. So the parallel line is pretty straightforward. How about the perpendicular line? Perpendicular line means the slope of the first line is the negative reciprocal of the second line. So we have a red line. I use the same thing. Y equals to 3 over 2x plus 1. The slope is 3 over 2. What is negative reciprocal? Reciprocal means you swap the numerator and denominator from 3 over 2 to 2 over 3. You swap the numbers from 3 over 2 to 2 over 3. And then negative means you multiply the slope by negative 1. So from negative 2 over 3 back to a 3 over 2. So you multiply negative 1 to get back to positive, and then you swap the numerator and denominator. So I swap the numerator and denominator, I get a purple line. So the purple line and the red line, they are perpendicular because the angle measurement is 90 degrees. And then the orange line, so the only difference is between the purple and the orange, I change the y-intercept. So from 0, 1 to 0, negative 2. So since I did not change the slope, the orange line is still perpendicular to the red line. All right, so let's try some quick examples. I have two lines. So the first line pass through those 2 points. The second line pass through those 2 points. I want you to tell me, are these two lines parallel, perpendicular, or neither? So the way we do this is we calculate the slope. So m1, that is equals to y2 minus y1. So that will be a 9 minus negative 1. Divided by 5 minus 0. So this is a 10 over 5, right? So which is equals to 2. And then m2, this is a 4, no, not 4. This is a 1 minus 3. And then a 4 minus 0. So this is a negative 2 over 4, which is a 1/2, right? So since this is a negative reciprocal, so they are negative reciprocal, So these two lines are perpendicular. Just that easy. Okay, the other one. L1, so let's put this back to our slope-intercept form. So L1, I am going to do 5y equals to negative 2x plus 6, and then you divide both sides by 5, like that. Divide both sides by 5, then you have y equals to negative 2 over 5x plus 6 over 5. All right, and then L2, this is negative 9y equals to negative 3x minus 9. Divide both sides by 9, negative 9. Y is equals to negative 3 divided by negative 9. So that is a positive 1/3 x. And then negative 9 divided by negative 9, that is a positive 1. So you compare the slope negative 2 over 5 and 1 over 3rd. They are not identical, so not parallel. And that is not negative reciprocal either. So this one will be a neither nor. So this will be a neither parallel nor perpendicular. Yep, it is just that easy. All right, so that is the end of this video. If you like the way I explain math, give me a thumbs up, a subscribe, and I will meet you all in the next math lesson. Signing out.